What up, man? Look at this. They're making food. Tacos de papa. They're always good. Okay, so we got some stuff here. We got 4 speakers. And we're working on another truck. Sistema Rescue 2014 Chevy Silverado. Customer came in. He had his own amps installed somewhere else. And we're gonna be installing a radio. How'd you enjoy my days off? Did you miss me? Oh, that's cute. Check it out. The customer brought you some flowers with. Said for working on his car, he got you beautiful. But this is the original radio. A 4-inch screen, baby. Well, this is a good upgrade. This is what we're gonna be installing. The Alpine. It already has it mounted on the dash kit. Check it out. That's fly as fudge. Is it really bad, Javier?
Huh?
Is it really bad? For our store, who's supposed to be all for show, you know? Wasn't it? Wouldn't it have been easier to get the wire to go through the middle than to go around and back in? So, what do you think, man? Talk to me about this. All your years of installing, what do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah. First year, this is like first year install?
Once you see an installation, a teacup, vale madre.
Look at this box, bro.
Check everything.
They made this box. Look at the back.
I know. It has a piggy bank.
Oh, he said if you guys see the keys, his keys are in here. What is that? Oh, it is a Mac. It's 5 1/4 mid bass with the tweeter. It's components. So this is the factory. We're gonna be putting in the Alpine. So the factory sold this car came with a upgraded sound system, and because of upgraded sound system, look what they did to the doors. Extra foam. All right, guys, look at all this. Let's do it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So we're gonna take all that out and redo it. So hopefully it'll look good when we're done. Woo, man! Look at Lewis going hard on this one. Look, he fixed the cables. Okay, they were all over here. Now he fixed them. We put new RCAs. And we just fixed the wiring. Look at how much nicer it is. See? And then he's fixing the fuse holder. Pinches ways. And then we took the amp off the back because that's just dumb. We put it here. People nowadays, they don't know what's going on. And then we're gonna install this bad boy, the Alpine. Oh, yeah. It looks way better, dude. And just to think, these people were like a couple zip codes away from us. Pobrecitos, niños. They probably even watch this channel. They'll know who they are. No, they'll know. If they watch the channel, they're gonna know who they are. Damn, he got my car.
They cut the wire speaker from the doors, and then run from the door to the amp, and then use the cut wire from the stereo to cut highs lows. They run one RCA with the splitter for the door channel, and for the days.
It was like if you don't know what you're doing and you're guessing, that's what you did.
They put the ground from the seatbelt.
Híjole. So there you go, guys. Paste the note. The seats are about to go in. Let me just check it out. What do you guys think? Much better? Oh yeah. Okay, cool. So it looks much nicer than it was before. I guarantee that. back. It's a new day. We're about to finish up this truck. Right way? You just need to do the speakers and finish the stereo install. And the epicenter install. Hey, and we're live. Hey, what's up, Tia? My Tia's here. That's Luis. He works with me. He's not being COVID-19 protected.
This Twitters, they're a piece of shit, man.
Don't tell everybody I'm live. What happened?
It burned just with the stereo.
Oh hell no, they can't handle 60 watts?
Not even 60 watts.
16, 1.6.
Oh my god.
Okay, anyways, so we're gonna finish up this car. We're on live right now too, so if you guys want to see me live, you can go to the Facebook at Anthony Carranza. And Simone.
Simona la cacariza.
Yeah. Let him work. We'll put the time lapse in because I don't have a lot of time lapse on this truck. You know I'm the time lapse king, but we'll put a little bit. People, this is a Dodge Ram that got installed at some place in Montebello or wherever the hell they're from. But look at this. So this is what he wants us to fix. Oh, the cable came out. Look at this shit. What the oh my god. This is really good, way. Where did he learn to do this? Oh, we lost the zip ties. Anyway, so this is what he wants us to fix. We're gonna hook up the light bar. There's some lights on the grill we're gonna hook up. We're gonna fix these to make them better. And also we're gonna install an amp for bass. He got the 4-gauge wire out already. This is a single cab con el factory radio. Oh. Anyway, he says that the screws are right here. Wait.
Screws for what?
For the fender or something? Nothing? These ugly ass switches.
Oh, pues levántale, dale medicina pues.
Okay, so oh, there's the grill. That's the grill over there. So we'll continue to do this thing. We'll see what else is working on. Okay, audio systems. Oh my god, again. Oh my god. Let me take this mask off so you can see my face. Holy sh.
Va a ver la diferencia entre un carro de 30,000.
Let's check out Luis. Okay, so Luis, looks like Luis got the amp in. So how was the wiring way? Was it fucking crazy? Basura?
So this line, I'm gonna put it to the parking lot.
Better? Oh, faltan de tierra. So let's make the spaghetti look like beautiful spaghetti instead of raunchy spaghetti.
That one to the parking lot or running light?
Daytime running light. Always on. Look at that. Woo! Candy XXL. I'm telling you, man, that thing's ready for war. Okay, so that's done. We'll let Luis work. I'll put him on the time lapse so you can see him wired up. So check it out. He got the lights installed. They look nice. The wiring is looking much better before when it came here. He's now gonna isolate it and we'll be good. All right, so the Dodge is now done. Check it out, man. Woo. So we got these, the light bar, these, and that. It's flashing because, you know, LEDs flash a lot. Did you do that? Yeah. It's Christmas, boys. Yeah. Okay, let's open the hood so we can see what it looks like under the hood. So now there's no more wires here. They're zip tied along here. This is the fuse for the fog lights. They're bolted on. This is the power wire for the system. Oh, they automatically go to orange?
No.
Oh, you put it back there?
Yeah, I put it back there.
So that's cool. Yeah. All right. So we got the 212s, JLs. Got the amplifier done. 212s are in. All right, people. Everything is done for today. It's the end of the week, Saturday. I got a cool ass project that we're gonna be doing. We haven't really did custom gangster old school ones, but this bad boy right here is gonna be next week's project. It's getting a sound system and a sunroof. Isn't that amazing? So thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, like everything, comment everything, and follow the other pages like Instagram, TikTok, and yeah, my Facebook too. Why not? See you guys later, man. Thanks for always watching.